that we were able to identify this area, and at the same time we are at the moment requesting evacuation until such time that if people will insist, then we will have to go to forced evacuation.
But do we also have enough evacuation centers, sir? Kasi medyo parami-rami po eh.
Right now we do have enough evacuation centers. We're not short of evacuation centers.
So sir, ano yung mga lugar na kailangan na mag-evacuate na mga possible landslide prone areas here in NP?
What was identified by Secretary Pahe was Litex, a barangay in Commonwealth. Because nagko-conduct sila ng study ng geological
map.
Geological study sila. Nakuha nila yung lupa, yung mga geologists. They were able to see the texture of the soil because of the constant rain. Lumambot na. So, kaya nag-cause tayo ng isang landslide.
So, is there a possibility na magkaroon ng another landslide? Kasi continuous pa rin.
Well, that is a possibility. That is a possibility.
So, anong klaseng paghahanda, sir, ang ginagawa ngayon?
Ang ginagawa natin paghahanda is to inform these people that ito nga ang mangyayari, magsilikas na kayo. We go to the evacuation centers.
Anong gagawin natin doon sa mga matitigas sa ulo na ayaw
we will go to if worst comes to worst, it will be forced evacuation.
Paano pag may nag-apela na human rights naman, sir? Alam niyo naman yung ibang tao dito, mga militanteng grupo. Paano niyo sila kumbaga i-appease na?
Well, ganito ang istorya niyan. Gaya kahapon sa, I think somewhere in Santa Rosa, maaga pa, pinalilikas na sila. Ayaw magsipaglikas. Nung gabi na, humihingi na ng tulong na maglikas na. Gabi na, madilim na. So medyo mas mahirap nang gawin yung evacuation. Gusto rin pala niya eventually bakit hindi pa niya ginawa nung mas madali. Perwisyo lang doon sa nagre-rescue din kawawa rin yung nagre-rescue.
Sir, will they be given deadlines kumbaga? Warn first, tapos kung kailan mag-forced evacuation? Like by what time tomorrow should, or by tonight?
The LGUs will handle that, no? So, I'm sure nabibigyan ng deadline yan. Na by this time dapat makaalis na tayo lahat dito.
So sir, may directive na po sa LGUs